What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has taken a little bit of a step back in value. It is down 6% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. So we're going to be going through what is next for Pepe. It's hit a red candle. Is it going to hit more red candles over the coming days? Is it going to recover and hit green candles, or is it going to fluctuate around its current price range? So we're going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is now the right time to buy the little bit of the dip, or should you wait for it to crash further, or should you hold on to it before it pumps back up? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what we can expect from Pepe. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, and the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm expecting more red candles over the coming hours before it slowly starts to pump back up in value in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, trading at about 10% increase from where it is at the moment is what my expectations are at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are literally flat out going in a straight line. They're not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is expected from Pepe over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid next week, the crypto should be fluctuating around its current price range, which I partly agree with. Reason for that is I'm expecting Pepe to take a little bit more drops in value over the coming days, and then pumping back up towards the end of this week and early next week, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So even though it is not likely to fluctuate at its current price range, I am expecting it to pump up slightly higher than where it is at the moment, with an overall increase in value, guys. So essentially quite of a wave, dip down in value over the coming days and then pump back up towards the end of the week and early next week, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we're looking quite skeptical here. The orange line is looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction, so once that's not realistic, and the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late April, early May, I am expecting Pepe to take an overall drop in value, guys, dropping down quite a bit. I would call it a crash, but reason I'm not going to do that is because I'm not expecting it to crash down back down in a small amount of time. It is going to be a slow and steady drop. So red candles are likely to appear towards the end of March and April, so potentially dropping down way below the SMA indicator is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which could have a major impact not just on the value of Pepe but the crypto market in general, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can. But at the moment I am expecting Pepe to take an overall drop in value over the next approximately 2 months, trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here, and over the coming hours and days it is likely to stay in the top tier level. However, towards the end of March, April and May, I am expecting it to slowly start to drop back down into the blue zone, dark green zone, and back down into the green and red zone towards the end of April and May is what my expectations are at the moment. However, at the moment guys, any updates, any news that come across that can have a major impact on the value of Pepe, I will let you guys know as soon as possible, especially that I'm keeping you guys updated on a daily basis to keep you guys in the loop. Proves that I am into the crypto to show you guys what my expectations are. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we do have the trading volume has dropped down by 22% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.1 billion, guys. Reason it's dropped quite a bit is obviously the value of Pepe has also dropped down. Not many people are trading the crypto right now. Most people are just stepping back, waiting for it to pump up further or drop down further for them to buy the dip. So for those of you guys looking to buy the dip right now, if you are in the short term, fair enough. However, for the long term, as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop all the way back down, meaning I personally wouldn't invest into the crypto at all, especially right now that it's at one of its highest point that it has been in. So it is quite a high risky investment, but it's entirely up to you guys when you get in, when you get out. But just make sure your risk management is on point before you invest into any cryptocurrencies, especially high risk ones. So let me know in the comment section down below if your predictions have changed after this little dip has taken place. Are you guys expecting it to pump back up? Are you guys expecting it to crash down further? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if there are any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below or simply send me a DM on Instagram. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.